Hi folks, Jamie Kirk here from Willerby. Just want to do a little walk through our Waverley model. This particular one that I'm going to show you here is the Waverley Lodge. Now you might ask what the Lodge version is. The Lodge version is the Canexel cladded residential BS3632. That is that model, but we'll obviously still do it in aluminium and UPVC cladding as well. This one has the mist grey with the white UPVC windows, downpipes and guttering. Come on and let's have a look. Now the Waverley comes in two layouts. The one that you're coming into right now, folks, is the 42 by 14 2 bed. And we also do the 42 by 14 3 bed. New for 2020, we stretched this an extra 2 foot, and by golly, it makes a difference in the lounge. Freestanding furniture, so you're going up in the range again, but nice, light, bright colours. Because this is the Lodge spec, it's got the single sliding front door as standard. You have to have that for BS3632 regulations. But you've got nice blinds there as well. Nice and bright though, even when the sun's coming in. And a wee quirky idea here, folks.
Oh, I'll just give a little wave on the way past. This is Kirsten, by the way. Sorry, I'm the filmer for today. Oh, look at this.
So you can put your teas and coffees. You can obviously, Kirsten, you can obviously make the tea and coffee and take it to your husband in the morning with his breakfast.
Or have a Prosecco.
Also, which has went down really well, is this breakfast bar. So plenty of storage, do any prep, you know, it's got obviously the stools there, breakfast bar sort of way of working, cupboards, plenty of cupboards.
This is great for all of your pasta packets, your tomato sauces and everything like that. Fantastic storage for food.
This one also comes with integrated appliances, so as standard, integrated fridge freezer, integrated microwave, standard cooker hood. Now, that is the option of the Deluxe pack.
Oh, I like a dishwasher.
So the Deluxe pack comes with dishwasher, washer dryer, which is in this wee bad boy there.
Mm.
MP3 Bluetooth, upgraded Simply Better Sleep mattresses. So you've got the Bluetooth, so it just basically works off your phone. You locate it, press it on, and you can play all your music. So like I said, Simply Better Sleep mattresses and obviously bedding pack. But as you can see, very open plan. With that extra 2 foot this year, it's made such a difference. And also with the contrast, you know, I don't know what you think of that, Kirsten, but I really think it contrasts really, really well.
Oh, I think it's really nice. The colours are beautifully complementary to each other. Especially with the black accents. I think that's what I like in the Waverley.
Yeah.
Are all the little touches of the black handles, the black cooker hood, the black hob.
I think it's quite classy as well with the 5-burner hob, you know?
I know if you are a keen cook, this is definitely the home for entertaining, especially with this kitchen island. It's a lovely place for people to stand around and gather, have a little glass of something together.
I agree.
And then the person, whoever is the cook, can then bring it over, and here we have a beautiful dining room table and chairs as well. I mean, these chairs are very stylish,
they are.
aren't
And very comfortable as well.
they? Yeah.
Very comfortable. Now, just coming through, I'll just stop you as you come in because there's another wee quirky feature. You have a little seat area there with your curtain, I keep calling them curtain hooks, sorry, your coat hooks, so as you can take your shoes off, and we've put linoleum there, so if there are mucky boots and such like, it doesn't go onto the carpet, so I think that's quite a good idea.
We've also got this handy little cupboard just here, which I think is fabulous because you can pop your ironing board in there, and if you're even remotely interested, a hoover.
Yes. Then into the twin bedroom, which has got the full size 3-foot beds.
I think what I like about this twin room is that you can take the little table out in the middle there and push the 2 beds together.
Yeah.
So if it's 2 couples travelling together, then both couples get a bathroom and a bedroom, and they don't feel like they're being compromised at all.
Yeah, I agree. And then obviously you've got the light switches there as well, which are centralised, which is quite a good idea. You've still got the little vanity area there that you can sit on the bed as well, if you did join the beds together. Overhead cab there that you can put some storage stuff in there, and then behind you you've got obviously the
the wardrobe.
Yeah.
And it's a double as well.
Yeah.
So it's a great size, lots of storage, even for the second bedroom. So that's why I think it's one of the best ones for couples that like to travel together.
I agree. I agree totally. So coming through the hallway, a little feature here.
That's a nice touch, isn't it?
And then into the master bathroom.
Oh, that's nice. So this one doesn't have a window. So what do they call this here? Is that a light tube or something?
Yeah, I think it is just called a light tube. Yeah, and it does bring in quite a lot of light.
Yeah, it's fabulous.
And then obviously into the bedroom. What a bedroom this is. Fabulous, the way it's laid out. Plenty of space. It's very classy. Love this headboard colour.
Yeah, it's huge, isn't it? It's lovely.
Even the light shades, they're quite classy, they're quite different.
Oh look, and double USB as well.
So double USB on both sides.
On both sides, even better.
And then you've got a nice wee seat there to get dressed in the morning. Plenty of storage.
Gosh, yes, there's even lots of drawers as well, isn't there? And then this one comes with an ensuite too, doesn't it?
It does. So this has got the shower, toilet, vanity, and sink.
Oh, a nice heated towel rail.
Yeah.
What's in here?
So in the back there is, because this is gas central heating is standard, it's got our Valent boiler system.
Lovely.
And for you ladies, another little vanity unit with a stool there to beautify yourselves. I must say it's a cracking layout, this. So as we go up the ranges, this is getting to the top, our Waverley range. I hope you've enjoyed our little walkthrough, and see you all soon.
Thank you very much, Jamie.